In this slide, we are going to see about our family generation. So this column represents male and this column represents female. So we are the current generation people, right? So we called Nam, us. Our parents are called Tandai and Tai, father and mother. Their parents are called Patan or Tata, Pati. So they are grandparents to us. Patan or Tata called grandfather, Pati called grandmother. So they are the parents to our parents. Our grandparents' parents are called Putan, Puti. So they are the great grandparents to us. Putan means great grandfather, Puti means great grandmother. Their parents are called Otan, Oti. So they are the great grandparents to us. Otan means great grandfather. Oti means great grandmother. So the before generation called Seyon, Seyol. They are the parents to Otan and Oti. So they are Seyon and Seyol are great grandparents. Seyon means great grandfather. Seyol great grandmother. Their previous generation is Paran Parai. You might have heard the word Parambarai. So that is the word we pronounce here. Paran Parai. Paran means great grandfather. Parai means great grandmother. So we have seen the sixth generation of people, including us. There are seven generation of people names here. So our child, our children are called Magan, Magal, son and daughter. Their children are parent, Perti. Parent means grandson. Perti means granddaughter. Their children are Kolluperan, Kolluperti to us. Kolluperan means great grandson. Kolluperti means great granddaughter. Kolluperan children are called Elluperan, Elluperti. They are the great grandson to us. Elluperti means great granddaughter to us. I hope now you got better understanding of our Tamil generation.
Want to learn more? Check out the full Tamil course. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.